Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. If you are using cloud applications while your employees are working from home, you are right to be concerned about data privacy and security. The company hosting your data is ultimately responsible for keeping hackers out of the network, but most cloud breaches are due to user error. Here are a few things you can easily do to improve security in the cloud. Maintain a strong password of at least 12 characters with numbers, symbols, and both uppercase and lowercase letters. Do not make it easy, such as password 123. While that technically meets the requirements, a hacker could easily crack that. Make sure the device you are using to access the application is secure. You'll need professional help installing, maintaining a strong firewall, antivirus, and spam filtering software. Don't access your cloud applications with a device you also use to check social media sites and free email accounts. Back up your data. If the data in the cloud is important, make sure you're downloading it from the application and backing it up in another safe and secure location. If your account gets hacked, or if the cloud company shuts down your account, you have a copy. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering and stay safe out there.